Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Bitcoin is moving and how the price of Bitcoin can move in the next week. As I've already told in my previous video that the price of Bitcoin can make a new all-time high. Okay, so after crossing a range of 58,000, okay, there is high probability that it can make its all-time high, which is around 61612. Okay, so there is a probability because the next resistance we can see is at around 80h. Okay, so if it touches that level and if it crosses, then there is a probability, but if it touches that level there is a probability that it can bounce back one more time, and then if it comes again, then there is a probability it can move so high. So if you look at this chart, okay, look at this chart, the trend of Bitcoin has moved after crossing a resistance of 12 to 41, that is around 20, that is in around 25 November 2020. Okay, November 20, that is where the trend has changed upside full, and now the price of a Bitcoin has moved so high that it has doubled nearly in 1 year. Double on, it's around 4-5 times, 50 times has gone up. So now if you look at this chart, the trend is moving continuously in upside. Okay, so what we have to understand in this, that once it make a all-time high, see, look at this chart, all-time high. If you look at this chart, it made a all-time high and then came down, hitting a resistance, hitting a support, and then moving again and make a all-time high. Again it came down, okay, and then again made a new all-time high. Now what is the possibility that once it breaks, then there is a probability it can make again a red candle and then can bounce back, because it is moving in this particular direction. Okay, so there is a probability. If you look at this chart from here, okay, after making an all-time high, it is from January to a 1 month chart, a downfall for a 1 month. And if you look from again January to, this is again 1 month chart. Again if you look at from here, then 1 month chart. You getting me? 1 month it's making a high, and see, if you look at from 1 March to 14 March, this is the only time where it has made for 15, and from there it made a low for 1 month, and again now it is trying to move up, and then let's see if it crosses high this time, and then there is probability it can again make a new low. Okay, not low for a month, a low for a month. So if we look at, so now what you have to understand is that once it make a all-time high from here, then there is a probability it can come down again and then bounce back from there. Okay, so if I show you a 1 month chart of Bitcoin, see, if I show you a 1 month chart, that the price of the Bitcoin is moving in a particular range. Okay, look at this particular range. Okay, so the range are 61 to 50, that means around $10,000 in the range of this for a particular month. If I show you 3 months chart, okay, then we see uptrend, and then from there it is in the particular range. Just it made a new low and a new high for a month. Okay, new low from here after crossing a resistance, then it's moving upside, and then from there is in this particular range. So what we can expect in the next week? Okay, look at 5 days chart. See, 5 days chart, what we have seen is that it is in this particular range. Okay, after moving in a particular range, that made a new high. Okay, so once, because it is very close to its all-time high, if you look at this chart, it is close to its all-time high, okay, which is around 61,342. okay, once it is already at a level of 60,622. there is a probability it is a resistance in 616,342 that it crosses this level, because what we have seen at this level, see, look at this chart, once it crosses and made a new high, okay, and again it crosses and made a new high, and there is a probability if it crosses it can make a new high, and there is a probability it can make a, see what was the high of the, what was the high, it is around 58 and made a new high of 62. Now there is a probability it can make a high of around 63 or 64. So this is what you have to understand in this level. Okay, so there is a probability if you take a proper stop loss of around 60,000 and invest here, then there's a probability it can break this level and can come to a level of 62 or 63,000, okay, or even 63,500 to 64, because we have seen a continuous growth in this chart after touching all time high, and after touching all time high we have seen a downfall. If you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, okay, or you can join my Telegram channel, link in the description. This is what I have explained you for this Bitcoin. If you look at 5 days chart, okay, 5 days chart, it is volatile, okay, but if we look at 1 year chart, it is an uptrend, okay, but if you look for 1 month 1 year chart, then it is continuously an uptrend. It's a very good uptrend, okay. So now even for a day I'll show you. See the day also, you can see it is 57 to a level of 16. This is a 1 day chart, I'm telling you, okay. This is a very good trend, so there is a probability that it can touch a level of 60 all time high after crossing a level of 6780. Once it crosses this level, then we can expect that it can touch a new high, and then from there if a red candle makes, then there is probability it can come down. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.